Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest updates and features on WhatsApp. Today, we're going to show you how to add a group to your favorites on WhatsApp web using your PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to quickly access your most important conversations. First, let's get started by opening WhatsApp web on your PC. Simply navigate to the WhatsApp web page and scan the QR code with your mobile device to sync your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chat list displayed on the screen. Now, find the group you want to add to your favorites. Scroll through your chat list until you locate the group, whether it's a family chat or a group of close friends. Click on the group to open it. Next, you need to access the More Options menu for that group. Look for the three dots or the More Options icon at the top right corner of the group chat window. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Add to Favorites. This option allows you to mark the group as one of your favorites, making it easily accessible from the Favorites filter. By adding a group to your favorites, you can quickly find it whenever you need to check in or send a message. This feature is especially useful if you have a lot of groups and want to prioritize the ones that matter most. To confirm that the group has been added to your favorites, you can check the Favorites filter. On WhatsApp web, you can filter your chats by selecting the filter icon above the chat list and choosing the Favorites option. This will show you all the groups and contacts you've marked as favorites. That's it. With these simple steps, you can now easily add any group to your favorites on WhatsApp web using your PC. This feature is part of WhatsApp's latest updates, aimed at making communication more efficient and personalized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on using WhatsApp and other tech tools.